This is The Merchant of Venice, one of the timeless plays of William Shakespeare. A tale of love, friendship, justice, and mercy set in the golden city of Renaissance Venice. In the shining city of Venice, where marble palaces rise above silver canals, the air is filled with music, trade, and the restless voices of fortune. Amidst this splendor stands Antonio, a merchant noble and generous, yet troubled by a quiet sorrow none can explain. His wealth rides upon the sea, scattered across distant ships, but more precious than gold to him is friendship. It is this bond of friendship that brings Bassenio, young and noble, with a dream burning in his heart. He longs to win Portia of Belmont, a woman of radiant beauty, wise in mind and rich in spirit. To stand worthy of her, Bassenio seeks aid from Antonio, who, though his fortune lies upon uncertain waves, offers all he has without hesitation. So enters Shailik, the moneylender, sharp in memory and hard in spirit. Long has he borne the insults of the Christian merchants. Now he sees his chance to wound the proud Antonio. He offers the loan, yet with a condition strange and cruel. If the bond is forfeit, a pound of Antonio's flesh must be his payment. Antonio, with quiet faith in his ships, agrees. The contract is sealed, and fate is set in motion. Meanwhile, in Belmont's golden halls, suitors from many lands seek Portia's hand. Before them stand 3 caskets, one of gold, one of silver, one of humble lead. Many are deceived by glittering promise, choosing wealth or vanity and failing. But Bassenio, guided not by pride, but by love, chooses the plainest casket. Within lies Portia's portrait and her heart. Joy bursts forth, vows are exchanged, and love at last triumphs. Yet happiness is shadowed by news of Antonio's ruin. His ships are wrecked, and Shailik demands his bond. The scene shifts back to Venice, into the grandeur of its courtroom. Here, Antonio stands calm, resigned to death. Shailik, cold and relentless, sharpens his scales, ready to claim his flesh. The Duke looks on in solemn silence. The crowd holds its breath. And then, in the hour of darkest peril, Portia enters disguised as a lawyer. Her voice rings out with wisdom and power. She pleads for mercy, for that quality that droppeth as the gentle rain from heaven, yet Shailik's heart is stone. He demands the law, but with brilliance and courage, Portia turns the law upon him. He may have his pound of flesh, yes, but not a single drop of blood. At these words, Shailik falters. His triumph collapses into defeat. Antonio is saved, justice prevails, and mercy is exalted above vengeance. At last, in Belmont's moonlit gardens, peace returns. Laughter flows once more as the secret of the rings is revealed in playful jest. Love is sealed, friendship renewed, and harmony restored beneath the night's silver glow. And so the tale draws to a close. Venice lies bathed in sunset, its waters glowing crimson and gold, its towers shimmering against the darkening sky. Yet the story lingers, whispering through time, that mercy is more powerful than revenge, that friendship is more enduring than fortune, and that love is the truest bond of all.